Hello, Amazing Pet TV, Coco and Lemon. How are you? How are you? How are you? Woo! Here are 5 distinctive features of Budgies. Number 1, vibrant plumage. Budgies are known for their striking and vibrant plumage. Their wild coloration includes bright green bodies, yellow faces, and black wings markings. However, selective breeding has led to a wide array of color mutation, resulting in budgies available in various colors such as blue, white, yellow, and even combination of these colors. Number 2, playful and social nature. Budgies are highly social birds with playful personalities. They enjoy interacting with their owners, whether it's through talking, mimicking sounds, or engaging in playful activities. They can form strong bonds with their human companions and often enjoy being included in daily activities. Number 3, intelligence and trainability. Despite their small size, budgies are intelligent birds. They can be trained to perform various tricks and can even learn to mimic human speech and sound with patient and consistent training. Their ability to learn and adapt makes them popular pets for those interested in teaching tricks or training. Number 4, active and agile flyer. Budgies are active birds that love to fly and explore their surroundings. They're agile flyers and appreciate having space to spread their wings and exercise, providing a spacious cage with opportunities for flying and climbing is essential for their physical and mental well-being. Distinctive vocalizations. Budgies are known for their chattering and vocalizations, which can vary from soft chirps to loud squawks. They use vocalizations to communicate with each other and with their human companions. Some budgies can be trained to mimic human speech and even entire phrases, although this ability varies among individuals. These features contribute to the charm and appeal of budgies as pets, making them popular companions for birds lovers around the world. Thank you! And of course, shout out to Alvaro and Verve before its Gym Aviation. Hello!
Hello! Gusto ko maliit na, dalawa. How much din? 82. Ah, 82. Kamahal.